The 10 secrets that you should know about home decor. Whether you've just moved or are looking for a quick, little home pick-me-up, or perhaps something more significant, there are some well-known interior design tricks that designers employ that you too can easily do with minimal effort and cost. Sometimes the smallest things make the greatest impact. It could be the addition of a mirror, a painting, a lamp, or even a plant. Maybe you want to soften your walls, brighten a room, or add some warmth to your living space. Take a look at these clever home decor tips and see how they can inspire you. Number 1. Soft colors for smaller rooms. How to maximize a small living space. A small room has the tendency to seem cramped, but the large windows, light-colored walls and ample use of mirrors not only reflect the natural light pouring in from the doors and the windows, but the use of mirrors also gives the optical illusion of space, making the room seem larger than it actually is. Conversely, darker colors will make a room feel smaller, even with the abundance of natural light and the strategic placement of the mirrors. Number 2. Decorative mirrors to add instant light to your living space. Mirrors can also be used to make a small space feel larger. For larger rooms, or any room with a more limited amount of natural light, mirrors placed directly across from the windows will add instant light. Decorative mirrors can also be used in lieu of art to fill empty wall space. Large or small, mirrors add light and dimension to your living space. Number 3. Combine patterns and textures. Combine old and new, expensive and inexpensive. With fabrics, whether it be furniture, rugs or pillows, varied colors and patterns can bring warmth and texture into your living space. Number 4. Slip into something a little more comfortable. Slip covers often get a bad rap, but they are truly wonderful things. They can serve as a means of changing your furniture's look to reflect the seasons. These easily removed coverings allow you to have a sophisticated look without constantly worrying about people dirtying or spilling on your furniture. Slip covers are ideal for rooms used frequently by children. Above the white slip-covered couches gives the air of a casual, comfortable, easy yet sophisticated elegance. Number 5. Wicker baskets. Wicker baskets are an economical and elegant way to add storage to any room. Baskets can be used to store and display books, architectural and decor magazines, toys, towels and blankets, to name a few. Place a couple of small wicker baskets on the countertops in your kitchen to beautifully display and store your fruit and vegetables. Number 6. Use what you already have to decorate. We all have items in our possession, probably packed up in boxes somewhere and haven't given them a second glance. Your home needs some accessories. Take a good look at what you already have. Trays, wooden, acrylic, metal or silver can be placed on top of luggage racks, tea carts, trunks, bedside tables and coffee tables for extra texture and dimension. Number 7. Add a hanging pot holder to your kitchen. Kitchens are meant to be warm and inviting. We spend much of our time in them, whether it be for preparing meals, serving meals or entertaining. A hanging pot rack is useful elegance. Number 8. Go green. Add plants to your living space. Add them to every room, small or large, few or many. Plants are an inexpensive means to accessorizing your space and adding color and texture. Not only are plants beautiful, but many can clean household air and balance humidity. They can absorb pollutants and remove harmful gases from the air. No home should be without these wonderful greens. Number 9. Paint or wallpaper your bookcases. Perhaps the simplest and most inexpensive way to transform a boring space is to apply a coat of paint somewhere unexpected. Bookcases are an ideal place to start because you don't need to paint a large area. Other fun places to add a pop of color include painting fireplace mantles, the insides of closets, hallways and ceilings. Number 10. Use area rugs. Throw rugs give warmth and can add great texture, color and personality to your living space. Area rugs can add fun and functionality to your living space. Use several of varying patterns and fabrics together to showcase your character. Or add several rugs of the same pattern and fabric, or different textures but the same color.